All right, guys, here we have all three devices all at once for you guys to get a nice size comparison: the S23, S23 Plus, and the S23 Ultra. Look at that. The S23 feels very nice in hand, very compact, sleek design. The edges on these kind of feel flat, but they're not. They have like a iPhone-ish kind of feel to them. Very more refined hardware there for the S23 series. But look at that, feels very nice in hand, very pocketable phone here. The S23 Plus also feels very nice in hand, not too bad. This is like the perfect size phone if you're not into the bigger size phones or the smaller one. This is the one you get, the S23 Plus. This one's for you guys who like a very small phone, are not looking to put a break in your pocket. But I think the only difference between these two here are battery and size. The S23 here, bam, the bad boy right here. Look at that S Pen and all. Has everything. Also feels more refined. The edges feel a little bit flatter than before. The display, absolutely fantastic. The one thing that stood out to me from all three of these devices is the cameras. The video capability of these phones, the video quality you get from these phones is absolutely amazing. The pictures, I don't know if it has to do with the Gen 2 Snapdragon tailored for the Galaxy phones, but video and pictures look absolutely fantastic. For you Galaxy fanboys out there, or just anybody who's looking to buying your first Galaxy, I think the S23 Ultra, the S23 Plus, and the S23, it's going to be a perfect device. Both snappy, fluid, great pictures, amazing video. You absolutely can't go wrong with the devices. Samsung has really impressed me. The UI 5.1 is absolutely nice and refined. It's just very cohesive, very fluid. There's a lot of good things going on right now for Samsung, and I'm genuinely impressed with the S23 series this year. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions regarding any of these smartphones, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. I am going to have a review unit for these models, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get more of your S23 fix if you're looking for that type of content. Thanks for watching again, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.